April 14th, 1912. A night that began like any other, but would end as one of the greatest tragedies in human history: the Titanic. A ship declared unsinkable, now sailing through the dark, frozen Atlantic Ocean. Inside, there is light, music, laughter, and a belief that nothing can go wrong. But beneath the surface, the ocean is not calm. Something massive, silent, and deadly is moving through the darkness. An iceberg, cold, immovable, unforgiving, drifting like a ghost through the Black Sea, closer and closer. At 11:40 p.m., everything changes. A sudden impact, a sound so small, yet powerful enough to decide the fate of over 2,000 lives. At first, no one understands. It feels harmless, almost ordinary. But deep below the waterline, steel is tearing and the ocean is entering. Water begins to rise, slowly at first, then unstoppable. Corridors that once echoed with music now echo with fear. Panic spreads through the ship. Crew members rush, doors open, messages are sent into the night. CQD, CQD, we are sinking. But the sea answers with silence. The lifeboats are lowered, one by one, not enough for everyone, not even close. And as the bow disappears into the freezing Atlantic, the world's greatest marvel begins its final descent. The lights flicker, then fade. The music is gone. The dream is breaking apart in the dark, and then silence. A silence so deep, it feels like the ocean itself has swallowed history. The Titanic sinks beneath the waves, taking stories, hopes, and lives into the darkness. And even today, over a century later, it still rests at the bottom of the Atlantic, reminding us of one unshakable truth. No matter how powerful something seems, the ocean always has the final word.